Chickens can stop laying eggs for several reasons. Nutrition. Chickens require enough proteins, vitamins, calcium, and water to be able to produce eggs. Sunlight. 14 to 16 hours of sunlight to absorb vitamin D for egg production. Water. Chickens require enough water. Even a short period without water can cause reduction in egg production. There are many reasons chickens can stop laying eggs. I just mentioned a few important ones to begin with. If you are looking for a job in agriculture, I have included the link to AgriJobs in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Don't forget